What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at one of the most unique products I have seen to date. Now this is a case that can actually wirelessly charge your phone without the need of anything blocking your lightning port. So you could, technically speaking, be charging your phone and get this, listening to your lightning headphones simultaneously. That is a game changer. So this case basically allows for this giant bulky protective design. It also comes with a screen protector, and inside of the case you have a 5,000 milliamp battery pack inside of a QI enabled rechargeable shell. You simply place the iPhone directly into this, and believe it or not, I originally thought when I looked at this case, oh my god, it's going to be the world's biggest pain to get the iPhone in and out of the case. Not really. You just kind of press down slightly on one side, and if you put it in correctly, it comes with full-on instructions. It takes less than 3 seconds to get this iPhone out. It takes less than 3 seconds to get this iPhone out. Now with that said, it's also fairly comfortable in the hand, but I will say this, if you're not looking for something bulky, you might want to look somewhere else, because this thing is one of the bulkiest cases I have ever seen. It's pretty thick, but then again, it's giving you convenience. It's opening up your lightning port for other things that you might want to plug in there, maybe a flash drive or something of those sorts. And on top of that, it's super convenient, because more or less most of the time when we travel or something, we need to carry a battery pack in our other pocket, while as here your battery pack is built into this. So what I noticed was my iPhone was usually out of case so I could have it be nice and sleek. However, when it was going down to that 0 to 10%, I was like, okay, I whipped this out of my other pocket. I just simply place my phone in here, and this way I don't have any wires to deal with. I don't have a separate battery pack that I might lose or something of those sorts. Everything is built into this. I simply slip my iPhone in my case, and now my iPhone got a little bit thicker, but on the other hand, it's gonna now have 100% charge within the course of the next hour or two without me having to plug anything in, and I can keep enjoying my music with my lightning headphones. Now the awesome thing about this case is that it is drop proof, shock proof. It has a raised bumper and a soft rubber frame, so of course the front is protected and the back is protected, and this particular case is built directly for the iPhone X, which is super important, because the iPhone X is one of the most fragile phones Apple has ever designed. The back has glass and the front has glass, and both sides breaking can cost you like $500-600 to repair, which is absurd. That's the cost of the phone itself. Now, charging this case up, you can't actually charge it using Lightning. You actually do have to use a USB Type-C cable, but on the other hand, this does allow you to charge it really fast back up to its original state, which is really awesome as well. Now, my absolute favorite thing is we actually reviewed something from EasyAcc just a few days ago, and it was a wireless charging pad. And believe it or not, this battery case is fully compatible with wireless charging. You can simply place this down on any old wireless charger, and it will charge the iPhone directly up, which is super cool. Now, to track when this thing is running low on battery, you of course have two different options. So when the light is blinking green, it's at 50 to 100%, and when it is turning this yellowish color when you press it, once it's from 0 to 49%. So of course, it's pretty simple. Now, exact specifications of what 5,000 milliamps mean is that you can have at least another 13 hours of internet time, 14 hours of video, 22 hours of calls, or 60 hours of listening to music. Now, this when traveling is super important. All in all, guys, a quick overview of the product. It will protect your phone to every extent possible, but it does add a little bit of weight because it is a battery, but it does add convenience because you don't have to carry multiple things. You could just carry one thing, and your lightning port opens up so you can sync data, plug in a flash drive, or maybe even connect your lightning headphones directly back to your phone. And the best thing about this case is that you could keep it separate, and you can only use it when you need it, and that way you could keep your iPhone nice and pristine and in your hand and nice and lightweight when you're actually using it. You could even use this case as a slight little booster to get it from 10% back up to 30%, and then take it right back out of the case and be able to use your phone like that. So go ahead and check it out. It's a pretty cheap price, to be honest, for what it's doing. And all in all, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.